So Codex is a developer and they have created a plugin for Voxel called bulk messages. And this allows you to send out messages to your customers in bulk. So basically based on your search parameters that you have on your website for Voxel, you can send out messages to those specific users. It's a very inexpensive price for this plugin, especially for the functionality of it. So let's go through how it works and exactly what you get when you install the plugin. So I've already have the plugin installed on my computer, and when you install it, you get the new bulk messages option. Now I've already gone through and sent a couple of test messages, but this is going to be what it looks like once you install it and you have a couple of messages sent out. You get the person who sent it, the parameters for the search filters, the message, the date, time, and the status. There are a couple of additional settings that you can go through. You have a shortcode, which will add the button to the front end, the ability to change the button text, as you can see here. You also have the option to require admin approval before sending. This is going to put it in like a pending state, so that way no one's just going to spam all of your users. And then we have the ability to enable it for specific roles. We obviously want to turn it on for administrator, because this will be a great way for you to send out messages via your system as well. And then we want to turn it on specifically for this website for the bride user role, because the brides are going to be the ones sending messages to the boutiques to ask if they have a specific gown or accessory in their stock. Let's save. We're going to go through, copy this here, and we're going to move over to our pages. On the front end, it's going to be much easier. Go over to Explore in our boutiques. This is where we're going to put it down here. So let's edit this with Elementor. And then from there, we're going to look for the shortcode button. I'm sorry, the shortcode widget. Shortcode, add that down, paste this in. Let's remove this placeholder and put our own message. Ask our boutiques. And then we're going to add some text. Not seeing something you want. Let's do it like that. Center this. Let's do bold font. We'll have it there. We'll update this. We're going to view this on the front end. Not seeing something you want. Ask our boutiques. Go through, click that. What you want to say. Then we have the ability to put whatever we want. So, do you have a Maggie dress? All right, we've got that, and then we can hit send. And it sent it out to the one boutique that's here. So if there are multiple boutiques listed here, then they would go out to each of those. You can search by location. You can search by keywords. Sorting them in specific orders won't matter. But if it's the ability to filter them out so there's less or more, then that's where it's going to come into play. So let's go on the back end under the settings, and we can see that we have our user, the parameters, the message, when we sent it, and of course our status. So that's what we have for you guys right now. This is going to basically be like a request a quote functionality, where people can send a message or request a quote for specific products, especially if you have a multi-vendor shop. This is a great addition to your Voxel themed website.